We were like, she does this all the time. Just listen against her. And they were sat there like, you know, I was in tears. That would be
just trying to like rap back and after shoot. Even the lyrics in front of her, she was still like.
Video where the guy finds his dead spider. So it's going. He's started doing all of that, and they kept quoting it, and then they got the video, but it's literally the tiniest dead spider. He's like, kings of the no, I haven't seen that. It's very funny.
I'll have to get them to show me. What are you singing?
Do they dress on?
Yeah. And like,
Leave it.
Imagine they're just wearing like trainers.
This is the train to Abbey Wood
I was
via
going to say just
Canary
the usual
Wharf.
attire, which is like the nightgown. Yeah.
Next station, Tottenham Court Road.
Yeah.
I want.
Change for Central and Northern.
What's up for £1 in the travel? If it's kind of weird though, it's a weird shape. I don't know, like when you it feels not how it looks. Like the inside. When I put it on, I'm like, but it's fine. It's just like
What's very different people.
so different.
Very different people.
I know, like fucking all of the fucking UWL freshest party thing.
It's the way Cat Norman knows that. Because he was like,
So like we were together after like so I was like, oh sorry, like
This is the train to Abbey Wood via Canary Wharf.
and I'm like,
Next station, Farringdon.
I know,
Change
it was like
for
so early
Circle,
on.
Metropolitan, Hammersmith City, and National Rail Services.
And I was like, I don't know what's going on.
So she found by next year. Next year. I'm far enough to yeah, I was wrong. Maybe he's Google his nose.
Like telling us where she was going, what she was doing,
If you like, okay.
where she was.
Yeah, I think she did.
And then like it like escalated. And then all the lights up panicking and then it was so
This is the
late, so
train to
fast.
Abbey
We
Wood
just tried to
via Canary Wharf.
it was we were like, oh, bet. So it's like,
Next station, Liverpool Street. Change for Central, Circle, Hammersmith City, Metropolitan, Northern, London Overground, and National Rail Services. Next station, Liverpool Street.
So she turned the corner and she was like, that's so oh, it was yeah, then yeah, we were like,
This is the train to Abbey Wood via Canary Wharf. rubbish in the bins provided at stations. Next station, Whitechapel.
From office that nilipat ko sa office pero same company. Dito po yung everyday ko na.
This is the train to Abbey Wood via Canary Wharf. Next station, Canary Wharf. Change for Jubilee and DLR.
Araw-araw. Meron po kasi ang presentation din na tapos may client. Tapos kailangan mag-asal ko eh. Tapos kailangan sa ulan. Sabi niya, hindi ka gusto niya plus na pag tayo mag-asal.
I ain't kissing goodbye for nothing.